Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My goodness, am I excited for today's video. If you've seen the thumbnail and the title, I'm pretty sure you're excited too. I can't wait to show you what I've got to show you. So as you can tell, today's video is going to be more of me trying on weird, strange fashion items. If you haven't seen my previous videos, this is what they look like. I will leave a little link in the clickable I button for you to go to and watch a playlist. I think you'll enjoy those videos. I had a great time making them. Today's video is hopefully going to be no different. I think I'm going to really enjoy this one. So as per usual, I've been on the internet and found some items of fashion that I personally deem a little questionable. If you guys don't, if you guys are more out there with your fashion, great, you do you, wear what you want to wear. So I have plucked some items from the internet to test with you today, but then also, oh my gosh, the item I'm most excited about. I found a girl online who I believe is a professional roller skater who DIY'd her own high-heeled roller skates. And I trawled the internet looking for a pair and I couldn't find a single pair to buy. So I DIY'd a pair. So yeah, I'm very excited. But before we put the skates on, we're gonna try on some strange fashion items. The first item I want to show you is in this bag. I have ordered this item possibly 3 times now, and every single time it gets delivered without a battery pack. So yes, it requires a battery pack, an item of fashion that requires a battery pack. So this one arrived in the post. I've put my hand in and it feels like there's a solid battery pack in there. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is a coat that hopefully lights up just as a jacket. It's questionable, but this one has a battery pack. So I'm hoping, oh, there's 2 battery packs. Oh, there's 2 battery packs. Wait, what? Okay, there's a battery pack here. I can feel it, it's here. And then there's another one here. Ah, issue. I don't know if I have enough batteries, but there are 2, fluff in the mouth or hair, not too sure, 2 battery packs. I don't know how you get to them. Ooh, do we have pockets? This has pockets. Immediately it's a little bit better in my book because this thing has pockets. So there is a battery pack. Okay, it's connected. There's a battery pack, I'd assume, in each pocket. If I can get into the pocket, where is it? Here we go. I'm really excited. We have batteries. I'll put you in here. Please don't electrocute me. Uno, dos, tres. Okay, let's fill the other battery pack and then I'll turn the lights off. Oh, I'm so excited. Eins, zwei, drei. We're gonna turn the lights off and then we're gonna party. Excited. I'm so excited. If you couldn't tell. When am I not excited? Really? When have you ever switched on one of my videos and I haven't been excited? It's just not a thing. Pop my arm through here. Ooh. Ooh, the lights are kind of catching on me a little bit. Okay. Not the most comfortable, but I mean, if it lights up, I'm not gonna complain. What do we think? Do you know what? I do prefer it to my previous big fluffy jacket that I tried on in one of these videos. I think it was orange and I look like a chicken. I'm feeling less like a chicken. I'm too lazy to close this blind because it means crawling across the sofa, but this is dark enough. We can do this. If I put my hands in my pockets, we should be in for a treat. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Oh my goodness, look at my jacket. This is great. Do you know what? I don't think I'd ever wear this. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I would ever wear this. However, great party outfit if you want to. If you want to go, you know, to like a... I don't know when you'd wear this. I mean, it works. It lights up. Look at it. That's quite cute. I think as well, you can put this on flashing. If you do this. Oh yeah, party time. Party time, party. Went to my mouth. Can you imagine me down a club? This is not what I do down the club, but just imagine it. Like, yeah, party. So this is my jacket. I'm gonna take it off flashing because it's actually bothering me a little bit. My first comment is, it works. I do feel a little like I belong in a Christmas tree. It's actually not that uncomfortable. Every now and again I can feel like a little light in my elbow or my wrist, but generally quite comfortable. It's soft, it has pockets. We all know I like pockets. Where are you wearing this? I got an itchy belly button. I've itched it now. I just don't really understand, and this is my issue. I just wouldn't know where to wear this. I love it and I hate it. I got fluff in my mouth. Ah. Maybe a festival? But I've never seen people wearing this kind of thing at a festival. I've never been to a festival. I don't know what I'm talking about. But when I see it on Instagram, girls are half naked. They're not wearing this. Where are you wearing this? Yay for it being sunny again. Okay, on to the next item. I know I ordered it for this video, but I've forgotten what this is. It's like a small green piece of fabric. That is all I know. This is just as much a surprise to me as it is to you. So this is, what have I ordered? I honestly don't know which way up this goes. Like, does it go this way and that's at your neck? Or does it go this way and it's round your boobs? I'm gonna first undo this. It's just weird. There's not really much to this. I don't know what you call these. Safety buckles, seat belts, children clasps. I don't know. But what is that? Why? Why? Why is this a thing? I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the festival wear category, which, by the way, I've just had a thought about. Festival wear is what you call an item of clothing that just looks mental, that you wouldn't wear anywhere else, but you put it on for a festival. Like, if there weren't festivals, what is this? And if you would wear this, I'm really, really sorry for offending you, but I mean, it's kind of giving me sleeves, but they're mesh, so they're not exactly warm, so it's not for comfort. There's this around my neck, which doesn't feel that nice, so again, not for comfort. And look-wise, I'm gonna quote Friends here and say I look like I've been mugged and they stole my entire t-shirt. Stop using the festival excuse. If there weren't festivals, where is this appropriate? Please let me know. We're gonna move on to the next item. This is the next item. It should maybe have been in my swimwear haul, but it wasn't. So I thought I'd include it here, and it's questionable, okay? A little bandeau. It's not bad. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of the pattern, but kind of cute, I guess. Then we have the rest of the bikini, which I'm just gonna put on for you so you can see why I'm questioning this item of fashion. Little bandeau, kind of cute. Little pair of coordinating blue pants. What could possibly be wrong? One moment, let me just pull up, ladies and gentlemen, my bikini stirrups. What? What's happened here? Do you know what? From far away, it's not that bad. This wasn't actually shown on a person, it was shown laying down. I will say, looks better on a person than it does laying on the floor. Still not great though, is it? Really? I'm confused about how I feel. Got stirrups on my swimming costume. I'm a farmer. I'm not very good at a farmer accent at all. I wish I was good at dancing and then I could do that TikTok cowboy thing, you know, that like two-step and the cowboy boogie and the sweetheart and turn around, you know, that thing. If you know what I'm talking about, good. If you don't worry about it, it's fine. This would be great if you were down the beach, you needed to go to wee, you don't have to take your whole swimming costume off and be naked. You can just take off the pants. This is quite a good idea. I have really changed my mind about this one. I pulled it out of the bag thinking this is the worst bikini I've ever seen. It's actually quite a great invention. The next item I feel could have split opinions on, and I feel like it's something I thought looked ridiculous. I may put it on and love it. We're gonna see how this goes. A fluffy-ish kind of rug looking jacket. in multicolours. So, it's very soft. Okay, this is like wool. It looks like something I could have made myself, but still kind of mental. Oh no. It has already fallen to pieces. This is what it looks like on the inside. And as you can see, they've basically tied tassels round every little square. There is a lot of dust going on here. Just gonna put this on. My arm's stuck in the holes. Oh gosh, I can't get my hand through. Okay. Yeah, it's not for me. Yeah. So, I don't hate it. I would just never, ever, ever, ever wear it. I feel a little like a rug or a chandelier or like a piece of tapestry just hanging up somewhere. There is also so much dust coming off this thing. I really hope it's coming across on camera. I don't know if it's picking it up, but if I do this, it's just so much dust just everywhere. This is a difficult one. I definitely do think it's strange, a little bit out there, a little bit loud, a little bit crazy, but I wouldn't, if someone were wearing it, I wouldn't give them I wouldn't give anyone a funny look anyway, but I wouldn't really question it. I'd just be like, oh, they look nice and colourful, you know? But I would never wear it. And again, if we take festivals out of the equation, where are you wearing this? This has a really strong chance of like catching on things. Like if I do this randomly, look, whoop, catch, catch, catch. If I walk through a doorknob, if I walk through a door, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna catch it on things. I think if you handed me anything with colours, I would enjoy it. So let's pretend for a second that this is blue and green. I instantly dislike it. Yeah, this isn't for me. If you like it, that's great. I love the colours and I feel like I could use it as a little rug. You know, if you just do this. I need a dog to sit in my new dog bed. On to, let's be honest, the part of the video we've all been waiting for. These. I'm going to try on these shoes slash high heels slash roller skates. I could not be more excited. I'm going to insert a very quick little montage of my dad making these. Oh goodness, are you sure? Please don't go into your leg. Careful. I don't think this is going to work. Dad, I don't like it. Please stop doing that. Oh, Daddy. Dad, don't get your fingers are in there. Careful with your fingers. Dad, careful with your hand. Do you want me to hold something? Careful. Dad, be careful of your hand. You sure?
No.
Dad, be careful of your knee. Thank you, Danny. I'm going to try on these roller skate high heels, which, as you can see, have been screwed into place courtesy of my dad. I was just gonna super glue them. I wasn't even gonna super glue them. I was gonna hot glue gun them. And my dad was very angry at me for even considering hot glue gunning them because that would have been very, very dangerous. But the YouTube DIYer in me was like, hot glue gun, don't do that. Also, do not make your own pair. Do not try this at home. Do not be ridiculous. Do not play with power tools. Just have fun watching me try these and hopefully not break a leg. Like, really, I'm kind of nervous now. Okay, here goes. Struggling to get my foot in the boot without pressing down because there's wheels on it. Wow. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can't see anything. I've just stood up, realized it's gonna be extremely difficult to film myself on these things, so we're gonna go down the road. We're gonna find an area and Nick will film me skating.
Why are you going out here? Why aren't you going that nice lovely studio that we were in?
Kicked out. And it was embarrassing and I'm scared.
They kicked you out with boots like that on?
Yes. Well, this is a lot harder when you sat on the floor. I haven't really thought this through.
You gotta get up now.
How tall am I?
Go on, go for a little ride.
Okay, well they roll. Oh my gosh, Nick, this is not safe. Nick, I'm rolling and I'm not wanting to go. Nick! Wow, I am not good at skating. What do we think? think.
Yeah. I mean, they work.
I'm also... I hit something on the road. I'm also scared that the wheels are just going to fall off. I'm really, really nervous. Okay. Do they look cool?
Yeah, they look good. They look
great?
like they've been made specifically.
Nick, you could help.
No, it's too funny. Now try and go as fast as you can.
I'm not going fast.
Come on, downhill a bit. That's a bit downhill.
Here's the thing. These have been DIY'd, so I'm scared to actually put pressure on my feet. I'm scared to put pressure on my feet in case the wheels just flop off. So I feel like I'd be a bit better on actual skates.
Size of your Jazz. Massive.
Really cool?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, wait, watch this when I push down on them. Watch them separate because the hill, look, did you see that?
No, go on. Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's a bit dangerous.
Yeah.
And the hill could just fall
Well,
off.
they're not designed for it, are they?
Right, let's take these off.
I'm going to film you taking them off because it's quite funny.
No, it's not. These boots are not the right material.
They were made for walking.
Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you have stayed all the way until the outro, I love you a lot. Comment down below in the comment section. That dress was insane, just to confuse people. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Don't forget to turn notifications on so that you know when I'm posting, and follow me on Instagram because I always let Instagram know. And yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon. Love ya. Bye.